Welcome back to Airstream Wheeler. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. It really helps our channel.
Boat's exhaust was pretty much totally rusted out and full of pinholes, so we ordered a kit from Summit Racing. Customer service was very helpful, steering us towards a kit that would fit the P30 chassis. The kit included just about everything that we needed. I did have to buy one short piece to lengthen one side for clearance over the rear axle. I'll put a list in the description below of the parts that we used. It was a bolt-together kit that required no welding. I'm not sure my neighbors would agree, but Summit Racing says these are fairly quiet mufflers. I over-tightened and broke two of the clamps in the kit, and I'd recommend the ones from Napa. They're a little more robust. The hardest part of the project, I would say, would be getting the old pipes disconnected from the exhaust manifold. Those rusty bolts make it very hard.